Get ready, Miami. The future of artificial intelligence is here and you're invited to be part of it. Join us on Saturday, April 26, 2025, at the SpringHill Suites Miami Doral for a game-changing hands-on experience at the ChatGPT AI Congress, AI Tools Workshop. Discover how the world's most powerful AI tools, like ChatGPT, InVideo.ai HeyGen 11 Labs and Divi AI Quick Sites, are transforming how we work, create, and grow businesses. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just AI curious, this workshop will teach you how to generate content with ChatGPT, build videos in minutes with InVideo, create talking head avatars with HeyGen, produce voiceovers with 11 Labs, launch websites with Divi Quick Sites, and automate your entire marketing workflow using AI. With live demos, expert guidance, and Q&A sessions, you'll walk away with real-world skills you can use immediately. Seats are limited, and early bird pricing ends April 13th. Save $200 when you register now. Featured speakers include Dr. Oscar Arias on the evolution of AI, and Manny Sarmiento sharing how to create and distribute content at scale. Don't just learn AI, use it to grow your income, boost your productivity, and build your future. Click the link now to register and become part of the AI-powered revolution.